Hey y'all. So I have had a ton of questions on placement. And so we know to become emerald, you need a coach on your right leg and a coach on your left leg. And you know that you want to have your controlled business center on your weak leg. And so I'm going to kind of go over volume with you real quick and where to find it. Not necessarily go in depth with volume, but just where to find it so you can establish which one's your weak leg. And then I'm going to show you how to change the placement and what you need to be doing as you're growing. And so first we're going to do is sign in to our online office. And so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Then we're going to go to coach and coach office. And then we're going to log in here. All right. And so here it's going to take you to your homepage where it takes you every single time you log into your back office. And here you've got tons of options, but we're going to first establish which one our weak leg is. And how you do that is you go in here to volume. And so you click that volume. And so here you can see my right leg has 350 volume points. And my left leg has 124,707. So it's apparent which one's my weak leg, and that is my right. And so yours probably won't have that big of a difference. I have a pretty big upline, and I was placed on her strong leg, so she's built up one of my legs substantially. So now that you've established that, you'll sign up your controlled business center. I signed up my husband on my right leg because my right is my weak leg. You'll sign your husband or your best friend, or not your best friend, your husband, your mom, your brother, someone that you love and trust on that weak leg as your controlled business center. Okay, now you're signing up your second person, probably your friend or another family member to go emerald. So how you change the placement is you'll go here to monitor my business. Then you're going to go right here to preferred placement. And so you'll click that. And here, mine is set to right because I'm trying to build my right leg. But here you'll switch either to your left or to your right. I don't advise any of the other options or the first available just because it's not as just straightforward and they kind of confuse me. But so I would go to the right and to the left. And so if you placed your controlled business center on your right, you'll go in here and you'll switch it to your left. And so now you become emerald. And so once you do that, you want to build evenly. And so you'll go in here after you sign every single person and switch your leg. And so you'll go from right to left until you get up to diamond. And then we'll go into that more depth because there's more strategy behind that. But I hope that helped you with preferred placement. And so remember, you just go in here to monitor my business and preferred placement and switch it. It's not hard, y'all, and we can do this. And then if anything ever happens or anything gets wrong or anything, contact your upline and they can help you. Or you know what? Google is an amazing thing. You can Google it. I'm sure there's another person out there creating videos like me. All right, y'all. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And until then, bye.